This is Tajamuladil. The popularity of wireless earbuds is increasing these days, but which wireless earbuds should you buy? With the Lypertek PurePlay Z5, you can experience the great sound quality in LDX and noise cancelling mode. Both come with the mobile application and it costs not more than $129. The case itself is small and box shaped. There is a small LED that indicates whether the battery is charging, wireless charging or USB-C are both options for charging. It's made of black plastic with a chrome finish Lypertek logo on top. PurePlay Z5 wireless earbuds have a short stem and a silver circle with the Lypertek logo on the outside. They are only available in black, but the design is not that different from the Apple AirPods Pro. Since these wireless earbuds are made entirely of plastic, they may not look as upscale as other earbuds at this price, but they appear to be quite durable and won't damage easily. Each comes in a pillbox shaped charging case with a tiny LED light to indicate their connection status. Compact and sturdy, the charging case hinge is firm and its edges are smooth, so you won't catch it when pulling it out of a pocket. The magnets on the charging case work just fine while you place the earbuds inside. With only the silver tinged halo on the earphones and charging case, the black matte finish is plain and prone to smudges. Bluetooth 5.2 is used by the PurePlay Z5, which provided solid connectivity during testing. Additionally, they support SBC, AAC and aptX codecs for high-res audio. The PurePlay PureControl ANC app allows you to customize your listening experience, including accessing touch controls, adjusting ambient mode, and tracking the last known location of the birds. Additionally to the LDX mode, you have Equalizer presets for movie, podcast, gaming, loudness, and neutral. 2 slots can also be used for custom setups. It doesn't matter what equalizer profile you select, they all have one thing in common: they are all leveled out and hit the right notes. The application also offers you the option to select different modes for the ANC Ambient. In another twist in design, Lypertek tend to use push button on their true wireless light instead of touch pads, so you can find details about touch controls in the app. Using the application, you can also locate your earbuds and see exactly where they are kept. Setting up assistance for your Z5 and updating the firmware can both be done from the settings. Using the app, you can also adjust the volume of the earbuds quite easily. In terms of responsiveness, the touch control set is full-featured, reassignable and works very well for me. Click on the earbud to change the video and click on the left earbud to return to the previous track. Having used the PurePlay Z5 for a couple of weeks now, I am impressed with the sound quality, especially when you activate the LDX mode via the app. They are very comfortable and can be worn for hours with no major discomfort, plus the passive isolation muffles out some of the outside noise without the need for active noise cancellation. Most of the lower frequency noises disappear once you activate the noise cancelling. The system still allows some high frequency sounds to seep through, but overall it works well. The PurePlay Z5 app is exclusively designed by Lypertek is great. It got a ton of features and I doubt you will need anything more. The purchasing links you can find in the video description and its cost not more than $129 to purchase. If you are interested in budget lighting for YouTube videos and studios, click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.